Hey guys, this is an arrow interchangeable core that was sent to me by kokomolock. I actually picked this by accident earlier on today, and I've been trying to single pin pick it and I haven't been able to get anywhere, but I managed to get it. Not so much picking, more by chance. Here's the key here. You can see the bitting, it's very high bitting. It's a 7-pin. Now that is actually the control key, so I'll just show you the control keys working. There we go. It's a 6-pin, sorry. And there we have the normal key. I'll just show you that is working. And as I say, this was actually found by accident. I thought I'd try a half diamond in here from the southord set, which was sent to me by jailersmith from keypicking.com. Thank you very much for that one, mate. And here we have it. So I'm not picking it to the control line, I haven't done that yet, but I was absolutely there we have it. One arrow interchangeable core picked. So easy that I'd done it by mistake. So I was trying to single pin pick this one, and I put the half diamond in. You can see there, it's only a small half diamond from the southord set, and pop it in, push the back pin, and there we have it. So thanks again, and I shall see you next time. Thanks for watching.